how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing the valve covers on this 2002 Toyota 4Runner. Very reliable engine, 4.7 V8. It's in the Tundras and Tacomas, I think, but very good engine right here. This side is going to be the most easiest side to do a valve cover, but the main reason we're doing it is, as you can see right there, we got a leak coming from the valve cover for sure. We got to fix that as soon as possible. I just replaced this too. This went out. You get like a long beep. Only way you can do it is replacing the whole unit. We got a used one. So one clamp right here, 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter, remove this cover right here. Take off the snorkel, give you all the room you need on this side. And this side right here, like I said, it's pretty easy already. Maybe just move some wiring harnesses out of the way. Alright, so what I did here, I just removed the bolts right here. There's one 10 millimeter bolt. You start taking out each coil. If you want, you can put them in order, but there's no misfires on the car, so I'm gonna put them back in whichever way. It doesn't really matter. It's just a tab you push down right here and you pull them up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is just basically move these connectors up here. Just like sort of bend them a little bit. It's not that bad. Bend them out of the way with your 10 millimeter. Loosen these up. So I decided to remove the airbox. Remove this right here. Remove the filter. 3 bolts right here. 13 millimeter. This comes out like this. Gives us a little bit more room to reach these bottom bolts. And yeah. Alright, so we got all the bolts out. Alright, I would highly suggest getting one of these swivel sockets. I feel like it's a must. Don't try it with one of these and then a 10 on top. Get yourself a socket that is a swivel. It'll make things a lot easier to get these lower ones. Well, that's it. Now we can try this out. Let's see if we can find some solid points. We don't want to break anything. Alright, looks like we're getting it going. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. This is out. This is out. This is out. And valve cover is out. Just like that. Valve cover is out. This feels hard. Very, very hard. As you can see, it basically cracked already. That's how brittle it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you remove this side of the valve cover. You still have to go pick up the parts. You will need to clean these surfaces right here. You can see it's pretty dirty. Alright, we got the connections loose. Same thing. Scoot these things out of the way. Taking out the coils first. Coils. Oh. See if we pry it off. Maybe from here. There we go. This one's a bit easier because it has this handle. There we go, it's out. I think it's as bad as the other. Oh, never mind. That sounds crunchy. Yeah, if your valve cover gasket sounds crunchy, that's not good. Alright guys, so this is the valve cover out. Quick little demonstration on how to replace the things. Obviously, the gasket that goes around it, you just find the one that matches up. Clean up the insides and then just line it up just like so. That's pretty easy. These right here you might want to change out for sure because these are like hard. You can see the old ones were very, very hard and they just cracked. These are the new ones that come in. These go like this way. When you get to this is when you get this one right here, you pry it like so with a pry bar or flathead screwdriver. The seal will come out. And you get yourself some pliers like this, and you can either, the tab's gonna be bent down like that, and you just bend the tab up, get it out of the way for all 4, and then this should just seat pretty easily, as long as you put it in evenly, like so. Maybe give it a few taps with like a hammer or something. Once you do that, you can just tap them right here, on the edge. Put the tabs down. Another tip is gonna be on the edges right here. See where the seam right here, you're gonna put like a dot of RTV right here. You can see from the factory they do put that right here. Same thing on this edge right here where you see this goop of RTV. Just a dab on the corner right there. And that's about it. Just right there, these two corners, because that's where the two pieces of metal meet. So there and there. Don't have to worry about the rest because the rest is just flat. So yeah, that's basically it. And then like I said, to install them, it's just a reverse order.